In this screencast, we're going to take a look at the conversion inbox. You get there by going to Marketing, then Marketing Overview, then clicking on Conversion Inbox. The conversion inbox is a summary of all the conversions you've received. So that would be things like lead forms, phone calls, and even order forms if you have an e-commerce store, those sorts of things. They're sorted in order of date and time, so the newest is on top. And if you want to learn more about a conversion, you can click on it to see those conversion details. So in this example, this was a free quote request and consultation form submitted by John Doe. You can see his email there and phone number and the IP address he submitted it from. Depending on your quote form or form from your website and the fields that you have on that form, these details will change to match those fields that your form is on your website. So this is going to be different, per account based on the lead form that you have on your website. Now down here you'll see additional conversion tracking details. This is really powerful because you can see where this conversion came from. And in this example, it came from the program Top Placement Ads and the channel Google Search. So this is somebody that was on Google Search initially, which was within our marketing campaign. CPC is the medium, that stands for paid search, cost per click. The ad type was a text ad. The keyword this person searched was how to grow your brand online. That was an exact match search term, so this is exactly how they typed it into Google. It was on page 1 of Google in the top positions, which, the top positions are the top 3. And it was specifically position number 2 is where the ad was. It was on a computer or desktop, and this is the geo-targeting ID that person, basically where they lived. And so this is really powerful information because it gives you insights into how this conversion occurred and a little bit more about this person. So when I call or reach out to John Doe, I know that he was looking, really online about how to grow his brand. That gives me nice insights to understand maybe how to start that conversation for this new lead. Also, it helps me understand which programs and channels are performing the best for my marketing. If a lot of my conversions are coming in from this particular program and channel, I know that that's something that I want to invest more in, and that sort of a thing. So really powerful information here. Now, with calls, you have a couple other features. When you click on this example call, you'll see the phone number, the tracking number that was used for the call, the incoming number, which is their phone number, the duration of the call, if it was answered or not, and actually you can listen to the call directly in the platform, which is really cool. So if you have salespeople and whatnot working for you, this could be a way to help do some sales coaching and call coaching, and also a way just to audit your call-in leads to see what the quality sounds like, and if there's any changes that need to be made on the marketing side to improve on that. You can also leave comments right here. As you're making those analysis of those calls, you can leave notes so you have a better understanding down the road. And those comments are seen right here. You can leave comments with each conversion if you'd like to. If you're using the CRM, you can go ahead and add this contact to the CRM by clicking here to create a new contact, or you can add to an existing contact. If the CRM already had that particular contact and they later filled out another quote form, for example, the conversion inbox recognizes that and associates that conversion with the appropriate contact. You can simply click here to jump right to that contact where you'll see all of their details in the CRM, which includes the marketing data as well that we touched on earlier. Then over here on the right-hand side, you can set conversion quality per conversion if you'd like. It's just a star rating system, and as you work through each conversion and really just kind of check for the quality, you can go ahead and give it a quality score over here. And then up here, you'll have a nice little summary of essentially what your overall rating is. This is helpful information to have because if the quality is low, there's changes that need to be made on the marketing side to ensure that the leads and the sales conversions that you're receiving are of the highest quality. And so without this quality score rating, that would be hard to understand. And so this helps us to be able to understand that better. You can, of course, select date ranges up here. You can filter your conversions by different types of conversions here. If you wanted to add conversions manually, you could do that here, such as maybe you went to a trade show and you really captured a lot of leads, face to face, so not digitally. You'd want to, add those manually, and this is a way to do that. if you want to block phone numbers, so in other words, if you have particular phone numbers that continually call you that you don't want to be tracked in here from a conversion perspective, you can block those. You can also block duplicates. So if you get one call from one phone number, that's going to count as a conversion, but if they were to call you again later in the day, that would not count as a conversion. So it would still be visible in here so that you could listen to the call, but it would not be considered a conversion. So it would be marked a duplicate. So this is a conversion inbox, very powerful tool to understand your leads, to have your lead information at your disposal, to listen to calls, to see where your leads are coming from a marketing perspective, and ultimately to help your business drive greater success. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do give your marketing executive a call. You can also go to help.marketing360.com for more screencasts just like this. Thanks.